As the evening begins, anticipation fills the room. You can feel it in the conversations, the energy, the sense of occasion. Set beneath the elegance of a masquerade ball, tonight brings together leaders, professionals, and peers from across Tulare County, all in one place, all for one purpose. Behind every mask is a story of commitment, of growth, of service to our communities. As guests arrive, the atmosphere takes shape, defined by connection, conversation, and shared pride in the profession we represent. Old friendships reconnect, new introductions are made, and the tone for the evening is set. Elevated, intentional, and unified. This is more than a social gathering. It's a moment for the Realtor community to pause, reflect, and prepare for what comes next.
Good afternoon! Welcome to the annual installation of officers for the Tulare County Association of Realtors.
As the evening progresses, the focus turns to recognition and leadership. Awards are presented to honor achievement, dedication, and the standards that define this profession. Each recognition represents long hours behind the scenes, strategic decisions, and a commitment to excellence that extends far beyond this day. At the core of our event is the installation of officers, a moment that signifies trust, responsibility, and the transition of leadership. This is not simply tradition, it is accountability. A formal commitment to serve, lead, and represent the values of our association with integrity and vision. Surrounded by colleagues and peers, this ceremony marks the beginning of a new chapter while celebrating the outstanding achievements of those that deserve it. As the incoming president takes the stage, an oath is given and he is sworn into his rightful position. Leadership is not just announced in this moment, it's accepted. With the ceremony complete, the evening shifts once more. It's time to celebrate. The bar fills up, the energy in the room builds, and everyone can reflect on a job well done. It becomes a chance to connect, to laugh, to make memories with our colleagues and friends. The kind of moments we'll talk about long after tonight, as conversations carry on until the dance floor fills. A reminder that while the work we do is serious, the relationships made within our association matter just as much. The masks may come off, but the people behind the profession step forward. The music rises, the crowd turns up, and those moments crystallize into memories we will never forget. As the night comes to a close, the message remains clear. This installation isn't about just one day. It's about stepping confidently into the future, together. Because long after the music fades and the night ends, this is the community we carry forward. This is the Tulare County Association of Realtors.